After my tenant moves out, can I use their security deposit to repaint my house or put in new carpet? I'm Justin Woodall with Iron Horse Property Management, and today I want to address that question. So when your tenant moves out, are you able to keep their security deposit if the carpet needs to be replaced or the house needs to be repainted? And I'm going to say it depends. So, and what does it depend on? The way the law reads in Georgia, security deposits can be kept for damages. It cannot be kept for normal wear and tear. So let's just say you take possession of the property at the end of a lease, tenant moves out, you go in and the carpet is old and torn and it just needs to be replaced. Now, if the tenant moved in and that carpet was brand new and they've been there 1 year and they moved out and it needs to be replaced, then yes, you can deduct from the security deposit for that. And basically you have to kind of prorate for 1 year. You can't take the whole amount for brand new carpet, but you can get most of it because they only used it for 1 year. To have it completely destroyed is beyond normal wear and tear. Now, if that tenant has lived there for 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years on that same carpet and it needs to be replaced, well, that is considered normal wear and tear because they've been there that length of time. Same with paint. If it's fresh paint, they've been there 6 months or a year and it needs to be completely repainted, yes, you can keep security deposit for that. If they've been there 7, 8, 10 years and it needs to be repainted, well, it's time to repaint. So that's not the tenant's fault. That is normal wear and tear, and you cannot legally deduct the security deposit for repainting when paint is 10 years old or recarpeting when carpet is 10 years old. Now, one thing we've started advising our clients, and we have been for years, is rather than going back in with carpet, go back in with an LVP type product, luxury vinyl plank product. It's durable, it's pet resistant, it's water resistant. It's a great product. It will last much longer than carpet. It's just a little bit more expensive, but it lasts a lot longer. So I've got that personally in my properties as carpet is coming out, that's going in. And what's interesting, we talk about replacing carpet. The general life is 5 to 10 years. We've actually got a house right now that the carpet is almost 20 years old in. So we try to stretch it out as long as we possibly can. And in this particular case, it just so happened that tenants have moved in and out, but it was a high quality Berber when it was installed. It has stood the test of time. So again, as your property manager, we try to stretch things out as long as possible, but when it comes to handling or mishandling security deposits, we have to do that legally, have to do that in compliance with the law. Basically, we cannot deduct for wear and tear, we can only deduct for damages. If this video has been helpful, like us, follow us on social media, and we'll be coming out with more tips like this.